Welcome everyone, it's Mac. I'm going to go over my trades from today, Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. And you're probably looking at this like, what the heck is this? I'll explain it in a second. So CPI news came out at 8:30 and was extremely bearish. This was the news candle. Next candle is a sell. I got really tempted to take this trade below the fire line and a sell after that kind of news. And if I had, it would have been a break even. We hit 30 points, but nothing further, and came back and would have been a stop. So then we're kind of just sideways through here into the open. Here's the open candle, trying to reject. Next candle's engulfing back up, and then closes right above the fire line, and then we just keep going up. Now, some traders in High Strike went long from down here. They figured this was the bottom of the news, we were going to retrace it, and they were right. Some guys got over 100 points on a long right here. I just waited around to see what would happen. Here is 10 o'clock. This is when Powell started speaking again to Congress, and he's been speaking all day. So this was a news event. I could not trade in, so I still had not taken a trade up to this point. Now, right here, we came down, got near the fire line, wicked back up, and had a pretty bullish close. Now, this was a signaled long within the High Strike community. That's kind of why I got into this trade, and I was actually late taking this trade because I think Kyle got in it right here, 624. I didn't get in until 633. Kept my standard risk reward, and I essentially got zero profit on this trade, and it stopped me out. So we come back. This candle comes, touches the fire line, and starts to bounce back. This was kind of a revenge trade, kind of a FOMO trade, but I took another long here and kept my same risk reward, so I hit my target. So at this point I've got one win and one loss. I'm up $90. And treating this trade as a regular bag trade was the wrong idea. I should have had a higher target because we kept going another 100 and some points. It would have been a great long trade. Some of the guys in High Strike kept it, kept trailing their stop, but eventually got stopped out here on their runner. But I just watched all this in FOMO, didn't take another trade. Now, right here got kind of eye-opening for me. I'm like, we touched the 13 and had a pretty good close, but we're still not green yet. We're not bullish. It's like I need to wait till we get a bullish signal, which was right here. And as you can see, we got very little into profit, closed below, and got stopped out. So now I've got 2 losses, 1 win. I'm in the hole, $90. And right here, this was an experimental trade, which I should have sized down. I should not have kept the same size. So what I've been looking at is neutral candle closes beyond the 21 from the recent trend. See, we were bearish through here. This actually closed above, so this could have been entry, but this one closed above and turned neutral. So if I'd have bought along here from 643 to 700, that was well over 45 points. And actually here, we closed below. This one didn't quite reach 45, but it came close. This would have been a break even. This one would have been a win. So I'm like, okay, neutral candle closing below the 21, opposite the recent trend, is right here. And we petered around, started to look good, nearly hit the 1-to-1, but then this one engulfed back up and eventually stopped us out. So this was a loss I shouldn't have taken on a normal day, but I did. So like I said, I've now got 3 losses, 1 win. So I'm in the hole, 270. So I need 1 win to come back to break even, which was right here. This was a signal up, closed above this skyline. We hung a little bit in drawdown, and then we went up and hit my target. So now I'm break even on the day. With contract fees, I think I lost 60 cents per account. And then this one kept going. It's still trending up. Now it's 130. This is a neutral print coming in, but I'm not taking any more trades today. I should have ended with $90. I should have taken a loss here and a win here. That would have been a positive day if I stuck to my rules. But I figured how bearish we were to start out, it was going to take a long time before we would get a buy signal, and then this one, I don't know. I thought it was going to keep coming up, to match this high and would have been the target, but it needed to go grab more liquidity or something. So there's my day, break-even day. I admit I broke my own rules again, but I did not end up red in the hole like yesterday. So we'll go on to tomorrow. Tomorrow's PPI news. It's not going to be as severe as CPI, but it will have an impact. So we'll see what tomorrow holds. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching.